Chuku, come to me in Serenity Recuperative Care, NAS corporate office and in East Los Angeles, California, and in Carson, in all states in USA, in all family generation ancestry, worldwide, Israel, Canada, Ukraine, Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, to take Akaotule, Ofor, power, and Okuku Calabash energies, all Akakwu, Akakwu, Akwuolulu, all their energies, and awaken and initiate all into Akakwu Akwuolulu. Akakwu Akwuolulu are Ichie, when you on the good path, doing what is good, no bad intention, you automatically make yourself an Akakwu Akwuolulu Ichie, you make yourself Ichie Akakwu. That's sent, physical and spiritual. Physical sent and spiritual sent, both alive sent and dead. Akakwu eke Ichie eke oye awo nkwo, get up, born in all market days, from fire element, earthland element, air wind element, water element. Ichioku Ichienta, higher and lower Akakwu Ichi, get up. I use male cow, female cow, 33 liter awaken all, and energize all, and skyrocket all Akakwu of all Akaotule and Okuku Calabash on sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit, all land, all ocean, in family, generation, ancestries, based in all countries, in USA, NATO, Israel, Canada, science and technologies, worldwide, universal science and technologies. I welcome myself as Isi, head, leader of all Akakwu, worldwide. So Maribi, say, heal all and move all forward. Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku. Cha, catch up, Akakwu.